per month.
Hakabede bakajing ujor belaai da ka Northeast Petroleum Mazdur Union ka bakentu banle AA kamkloy bat ban Pynlong ya kajing tokit ka bakerpang halor ka jing syak berngem bat ka jing syak penshitom jong ki nongnya bat nong bot kalikit umpnyang halor ka jing keno ba ki le athok Hariboy district ka Sorkar Meghalaya lingba jong ka tanat food ni civil supplies bat consumer affairs kala Pynlong ya kajing elang bakerke Mynta Sngi. U Commissioner but Secretary jong ka Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ulapan ya ka Jingialang ha Circuit House nongpo da ka jingi trailang Hapdeng ka Sorkar bat ki nong don benta banwat ya ka lat galenti ban pinbet ya ka huri hurah ka bedai ba ka jing shalan ya ka umpniang petrol ha Meghalaya.
First of all, there is no shortage. Enough stock is there, so there is no need for any panic. Number two is that we are working to find a solution. Number three, over the last 2 days, more than what is the normal quota of POL has already reached our state, both in Hills and KHASI Hills. So there is no ground, there is no reason for anybody to be in a state of panic. So we ask all the people of our state also to just wait. By the end of the day, we'll be able to solve the problem.
Hakajingi kren